Hello and welcome back to Complexity Leadership for Practitioners. This section is the second presentation looking at leadership modes. This one is focused on the different leadership modes and the way they work together to create a structure. Before we get into the detail, let's just remind ourselves of the leadership modes. The 5 leadership modes are listed here on the left. Each has a different purpose and is deployed using different methods, often by different people. In combination, they give the team the structure and guidance they need to be successful in their roles. They work together as a framework of leadership. Direction and strategic administration work together to deliver business administration. This is the foundational leadership which is needed to underpin activities within the organisation. Enabling leadership and tactical administration work together to give delivery teams the local guidance and governance they require to achieve a goal. The leadership is very situational and is tailored both to the situation and the team. Adaptive leadership sits in the middle and is needed by every part of the business whenever agility is called for. This leadership mode is used to either recover from an unexpected event or to facilitate transformational change. Both strategic administration and tactical administration give the governance and control needed to allow innovative and entrepreneurial activities to be executed efficiently and without compromising other areas of the organisation. Direction and enabling leadership give the global and local guidance needed to find the optimum path to each goal. Let's have a look at an example to clarify the ways that the leadership modes interact with decision making. So you need to make a priority call, and you might be wondering where in the leadership modes that fits. Well, if you're using the strategic plan as a basis of your decision, then this would be part of the leadership which gives direction. If you look to the business processes or common practices when making the decision, then this leadership mode is strategic administration. If the priority call is being made as part of the response to an unexpected event or to facilitate transformational change, then this is adaptive leadership. If your priority call is part of guiding someone towards a goal or setting up the environment where success is most likely, then this is enabling leadership. And finally, if your priority call is based on resource management, planning, or other situational administration, then this is tactical administration. As you can see, the need to make priority calls is one of many universal leadership tasks. The question of leadership modes relates to the context being used for the decision making. It also relates to the method of communication. So when you choose a mode, you are using your place in the leadership network to inform that decision. Let's quickly recap. Leadership can be divided into 5 distinct modes, and they work together to create a leadership framework. The modes are the foundations of leadership in a complex environment. The mode is the context and method for the leadership being given, not the message. When choosing a mode, look to your role. What do people need from you? Or sometimes, what's missing? Ultimately, leadership is information and communication. People need all 5 leadership modes to be effective in their roles. As the leader, which of the 5 are they looking to you for? That's the end of this section of part 2. Hopefully you can join me for more complexity leadership.